What car is that?
Lamborghini Countach LP400.
What is the sound?
V8 engine.
아니 이게 이거밖에 안 되잖아. 이거는 이 되는데.
아버지 할머니 오래오래 건강하게 사세요.
네, 내가 공부 잘하고 몸 건강하세요. 딴 거 없다. 몸만 건강하세요. 아유 감사합니다.
싫다고 했어, 오빠 친구는?
아니 오빠 찾대.
근데 싫다고 했어. 오빠, 아니야, 엄마 뭐 보고 있어, 그냥. 엄마 그냥 뭐 보고 있어. 싫어.
Maglalakad-lakad kami ni Justin. Kasi sumasakit na yung balakang ko, kakaupo, kakahiga. Wala kaming ginawa.
Is it cold?
Po. Yeah, yes, it's cold.
It's not cold.
It's windy.
It's not windy. It's hot. That apartment is small.
Small?
Look.
Why?
Look, this is smaller than this.
Smaller than this one?
This is 34.
Oh, and then why? What is the reason?
This is
The size are smaller too?
yeah, but it's what they call it.
I think the shorter
the
apart
name is
different.
same. The same.
And then
Name is same, and then floors are different. Look, Jeongdong Meridian. Jeongdong Meridian.
where are we going?
We're going to Mart to buy a strawberry jam and cherry
Punta
and
pala kami sa
strawberry.
Mart. Kasi yung
But
biyanan kong
Grandma
lalaki
said,
guys,
don't buy
ano na siya,
what they call it, the
80
strawberry
years old.
and cherry.
And meron na siyang Alzheimer's. Pero hindi pa naman malala. Nadadala pa naman ng gamot. Sobrang dry ng lips ko. And mahilig siya sa strawberry. Gusto niya lagi kumain ng strawberry and cherry. Kaso ang mahal ng fruits ngayon kasi nga taglamig. We're going to the Mart. I'm not sure if they're open because today is... Oh, by the way, Happy Chinese New Year! Cebu Mani pa desayo.
There's no jam. No jam here.
Maybe.
No jam there. I checked all. No jam.
Really?
I think there's jam. There's some more Mart.
Yeah.
Let's go there.
Sabi niya guys, hey, kung hindi mo alam yung pauwi, sundan mo lang ako, mami.
Okay,
Kasi ako yung
ask all. Tell them all.
Tell them all. No, I'm just telling them what you told me. There's nothing wrong about it. Oh, Loteria is closed. I want to eat hamburger. Nakakaumay na din
You
yung
don't like
food.
hamburger.
No, just for today because we always eat kimchi and fried something.
She said she doesn't like a hamburger, but she wants to eat the hamburger.
But they are closed.
Do you know why she don't want to eat the hamburger?
Why?
Because she need to diet. She said, I don't want to eat hamburger because I'm diet.
I'm on a diet. And then?
You're asking like that.
Because you said I'm fat. That's why I have to go on a diet.
I didn't ask you you're fat.
I did.
Mom.
Say.
Mom.
Uh-huh.
Do you know we will go to home? The way?
Do you know the way home?
Do you know the way home?
Yes, of course I know.
Remember?
Yes, I can remember.
I'll remember. Just go there.
Where?
There.
Go straight and turn left.
Let's go to the Iman.
I think they're closed.
Or let's go to the train station, Masanyeong.
That's too far.
My mistake.
You can't walk.
맛있겠다.
It's all Chinese food. They are closed until 30. Dahil ano ngayon? Today is Chinese New Year.
It's Korean New Year. It's not China.
It's lunar. Okay, let's say.
China? New Year.
Nakorek pa nga ng bata.
Huh?
No, what do you call this? It's Lunar New Year, okay? So, this coffee shop. It's
Buy some
Lunar New
coffee?
Year. I don't think so. You want to drink coffee?
You will buy some coffee?
You want to drink coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
You don't like coffee?
Oh, do you remember?
No, I don't want to go to E-Mart.
Huh?
I don't want to go to E-Mart. It's
There's
cold.
no Imar. Imar is there.
No, E-Mart is there. That way.
I don't watch her.
No, it's still far. We
I
have
don't
to.
do it.
We have to walk far.
Oh, you know the way.
Hmm? What do they have here? What? How do you know here?
I think I come here with
Nuna?
long time ago.
Nuna? With me? No, I haven't
And
visited
Sophia.
here. With Sophia?
Drink some.
Coffee?
Can I like
Some
this?
drinks? Oh yeah,
Can I
sure.
buy?
What do you want?
Mm.
You choose. We will drink here.
Chadu.
Chadu? Are you sure? Maybe.
Yeah, I like this. I like this
sour.
flavor.
I thought you like watermelon.
No, I think no watermelon. I don't drink watermelon. But no watermelon.
Chadu? You want chadu?
Huh?
Do you want that? Do you like this
can
one?
you search the watermelon?
You can ask. You can ask. Waiting kami sa order. Ayan, tambay muna kami dito sa coffee shop. Inaisinitihan. Pala yung in-order ko, guys. Coffee latte. Coffee latte. And then, so in-order naman ni Justin is plum smoothie. Pero hindi siya masarap. Buti maliit lang yung baso nila. Mabilis mo ubos yung coffee.
How would she get that?
Ta,
Ay, nabukan na. Ano yung chocolate?
did you wash your hands?
같이 있을 때 봤다고.
Wash your hands first.
보고 저 이태원 봤어.
So no, wash your with soap. No, Sophia. Wash well. Sandak ka.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Why? Only that one.
이봐주세요. 엄마, 아버지. 제발 아프지 말고. 아이고.
Hi guys! Pang 5th day na ng vacation namin dito sa bahay ng Los ko. Punta kami sa McDonald's. Di ba kahapon pupunta sana kami ng Loteria kaso nga sarado sila. So, kasi kahapon yung Chinese New Year. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung bukas yung McDo. Pero sana, kasi holiday pa rin, pero sana bukas na sila. Nakakaumay na yung pagkain sa bahay. What's wrong with your face? Ang sweet nilang magkapatid. Sana kahit malaki na sila, ganyan pa rin sila kasweet sa isa't isa, no? Uh-oh, so no. Dangerous. Step back. Kada. I think wala masyadong tao. Yes? Let's see. What do you want to eat? I'm holding it. Here, waiting the order. This one is, what is yours? Bulgogi? This is mine. This shrimp. And
Why yours is so small?
because I want small, I can't eat all.
물티슈.
Go to the toilet and wash your hands. There's a toilet there.
알았어요.
Nandito naman kami sa E-Mart. Gusto daw nila tumingin ng mga laruan. Mabubudol pa ata ang person. Mabubudol pa ata ako. Nag-aya sila dito kasi ayaw pa nila umuwi ng bahay. So ngayon, ikot-ikot tayo dito sa E-Mart para tumingin ng laruan. Sabi tingin lang. Bugoman? Only watching? Okay? Bibili kasi ng laruan, tapos hindi naman nila lalaro. Ay, nilalaroin nila mga 1 or 2 araw, tapos wala na. Lalagyan na lang sa isang
와, 나
gilid.
이거
and
사고
then,
싶다. 진짜 실제로.
tapos na. Wow!
엄마 어떤
Ah, so
사람은
cute.
있잖아.
Oh, so 똑같은 거. Is it the same like what you have in the house?
아니야.
Different, Tara?
달라.
달라.
엄청 달라.
Ah, 진짜? Binilhan ko kasi siya ng laruan ng birthday niya. Parang may similarities. 근데 그거 만들기. 젤리 만들기, 이거. 이거, 맞지?
아니야.
아니야?
이거 넣는 거야. 그거
아.
만들기고.
아,
봤던 거. 유튜브에서 봤던
쿠키
거.
메이커?
이것도.
와, 우리 집 있어, 이거. You have this one.
근데 이거는 더 좋은 거야.
Eto guys, meron siya nito sa bahay.
고양이도 나오는데 우리 거는
Tingnan niyo yung
그냥
price.
나와.
Aabot na siya ng mga 5,000.
나 이거
5,000.
다 엄마,
Ganito yung nasa bahay.
여기
Hindi niya na nilalaro, OMG.
나오는데
근데 우리 집 있는 거 왜 안 놀아? Why you don't play the one that you have?
다시 못해. 그거 일회용이야.
Oh, naman ayaw niya na daw.
일회용이야.
Grabe, tingnan niyo yung price. Kaya never again. Oh, it's so cute flower. This is cute, so.
엄마 이거 요 안으로 나타나는 거래. 근데
카메라?
이거 뭔지 알아?
그거
아니,
뭐야?
사람. 요
사람?
위에서 얘가 떨어지는 거야.
입술, 이게 왜 케첩? 어,
봤어.
오빠 어딨어?
몰라.
Yung sabi ko, hindi ko sila bibilhan guys ng laruan. Pero, oh my God. Hindi ako makahindi.
토요타야. 그럼 토요타라는 딱
Sabi ko, hindi kami bibili. Titingin lang, pero OMG. Pero meron naman silang nakuhang pera galing sa auntie nila nung kahapon, nung Chinese New Year. Binigyan sila. So, yun yung bibili nila ng laruan. Si Justin, mahilig siya sa mga sports cars. Actually, memorize niya yung mga tunog ng mga sasakyan. Mga pangalan, mga model, pati airplane. Si So naman, ito yung nakuha niya. Mahilig siya sa mga yung paggawa-gawa ng something. Mini garden. Here, Sophia.
나 위에 봐. 이웃집 손으로.
그거 집에서 하면 안 돼? Can you open it? Oh my gosh. Give it to me. What is it? Why did you open it here?
This car is so cute.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
You scratch it.
Look. Look at this.
Let's go. Pauwi na kami.
이거는 향기 나는데.
없어?
Show them this.
이거 어떤 거 나와서 보여줘, 사진.
1번.
1번?
1반.
1번?
얘랑 얘.
예쁘다. 2개.
응, 2개. 나는 안 찍어주고.
자.
완전히 안 끼우고
What
그냥
car is
올려줄
that?
거야.
Lamborghini Countach LP400
What is the sound?
V8 engine.
Thing.
It's 8,050.
와우.
근데 문제는 이거야.
Power
다
is
끼워야 돼.
글루 빌려해요.
아니야.
Power.
이거 넣는 거야 여기다.
자?
에이.
어허. 들어가?
아니.
안 들어가?
누가 더 귀여워?
이거 빌려해요. 이거.
아니야 이거 풀 아니야.
그거 뭔데?
이거 풀 아니야. 이거 보고 말해.
근데 왜 하나?
에이, 조용히.
Magic UV glue. 풀 맞아.
이거 쓰면 안 돼.
이거 또 어머 말 안 들어.
이거 여기다가 쓰는 거 아니야.
Ayaw niya makinig sa...